Here is everything that comes with your Blink Outdoor and Floodlight kit. Welcome to Busy Bee Living. Today we're going to show you how to install this Floodlight and Blink system. First we're going to have to set up the camera. If you need to know more about that, there's a link in the video above. First we remove the vinyl siding clip because we don't need that. We're going to screw it right into the bracket. And then we're going to remove the back here because there's a piece of plastic that is covering the batteries so it doesn't run when it's in shipment. Easily just twists off to unlock, take off the backing, and there's the plastic piece. Now return the backing, make sure it clicks in. You'll see the flashlights really pop on really quick there, just to let you know you're good. And then we can put the back on. Just make sure that that top indicator is on the top and it's back in the locked position. Now we're ready to install the plate to the actual Slater siding. And we're going to put 3 screws in. So we want to make sure that our camera is going to be in position and it's not going to be affected by any angles or anything here. Once we find the location, we'll pre-mark the 3 holes to screw the back plate in, and we're going to pre-drill before inserting the screws. Once we're done pre-drilling, we can come back with our plate and start just by hand screwing in the 3 screws. And then we're going to come back with our power drill to tighten these down. Now remember, this is just a plastic piece of backing, so be very careful if you're using a power drill. If you're uncertain about this, you can easily hand screw it in with a screwdriver. Once that's done, we can easily slide in our unit and it clicks into place. Now we can pivot our lights and camera into position. As you can see here, I have not installed the camera piece yet, so we're going to have to put that USB plug into place and then click the camera into it. It's much easier to do this when the unit is down on the ground, but it is doable if you're in a situation like myself. But I would recommend you doing this before getting the unit up there. Once we have that, we can put the camera and position it as well. Now we just test our lights by using the light on feature. And then once dark comes, we can come outside and you can see as soon as I step in, those floodlights come on and the camera starts recording. It's working quite well. Really lights the area, especially with the entryway to my shop. And as soon as we step away, as soon as there's another movement, that camera picks it up. So came out quite well.